Welcome to this tutorial. In this guide, we'll show you how to link your child or children to your Fantaskool account, ensuring you can easily stay updated on their academic progress. Let's get started. To begin, parents need to either sign up for an account if they don't already have one, or log in if they've already created an account. If you're signing up for the first time, follow the instructions provided by your school to create your Fantaskool parent account. Once you've successfully signed up or logged in, you'll land on your parent dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the My Children section, located in the sidebar navigation on the left-hand side. Click on the My Children button, and a new interface will open. On this interface, you'll see the option to add your child. Click on the Add Child button, which will bring up a form where you'll be required to input your child's student system ID. This ID is provided by the school administrator, so make sure you have it handy. After entering the student system ID, click on the Create Association button to link your child to your account. If you have more than one child enrolled in the school, you can repeat this process for each child. Fantaskool allows you to associate as many children as necessary, making it easy for parents with multiple children to manage everything in one place. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll successfully link your child to your Fantaskool account and gain full access to their academic information. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your school administrator for support. Thank you for using Fantaskool.